Pandas in Python. Here I am going to cover what is Pandas and what is the difference between Pandas and NumPy, and one more thing, what is meant by matplotlib. That topics I am covering in this presentation. Okay, what is Pandas in Python? Pandas is a software library written for Python programming language for data manipulation and analysis. What is meant by data manipulation and analysis? Your principal is asking your headmaster, okay, I want the 2019 batch student mark. Can you able to extract? That is called data manipulation. From all the record, your headmaster or your HOD has to extract the data. That is data manipulation. They will take and they will extract only the 2018 records only, 19 record only give to them. Okay. Analysis. What is analysis? Means they are telling last five years which department students are scored a good mark. There are many departments in your college, okay. They want to analyze the things which department performance is best for consistently last 5 years, so that they have to analyze the things 5 years data. What is the performance of the computer science department, EC department, EEE department, and they will analyze and tell in the last 5 years, 3 years EC department is performing good, and 2 years computer science department is doing good. What is the percentage variation? That is called analysis. Okay. Now the cricket team, how they are forming the cricket team, one day players, 2020 players, and the 5-day match players, they will have the deep analysis. Now why they are not selecting the 2020 player for 5-day match? Because they are not having patience. They will not stand for long time. They will not able to play. Why they are sending the Hardik Pandya in the last 7th down or 8th down only? They can send him in the first down only, no, because he is not having a patience. He will play quickly and you will out and you will go out. Okay, so that type of analysis we need, no. For that purpose we need Pandas. Okay, Pandas is mainly used for data analysis. Okay, Panda is a popular Python based data analysis toolkit which can be importing using import pandas as PD. Import pandas is enough. PD is our alias name only. How we are importing a Python NumPy as NP, like that we can able to import pandas as PD. Okay, Pandas allows importing the data from various file format such as comma separated value, JSON, and SQL, Microsoft Excel. We are getting a data from a different source. For example, you become a machine learning expert. I am the owner of the Big Bazaar. I will ask you and call you. I am having all the billing records are there. Now during coming Diwali, okay, which are the items are fast moving in our shop? Last 5 years, you analyze the data and tell me what are the item I have to keep stock, what are the item not to keep stock. How to do? He may give the data in a Excel sheet also. He may give the data from the database also, MySQL or Oracle something, or sometime he have the data from the net data. Okay, that is called JSON file format. Okay, or comma separated values he will give. So that how to handle? Because the challenge in machine learning or data analysis means data will not come from the single way. We will collect it in a multiple way. We have to collect. Okay, I am asking you one thing. You have to tell me the top 10 Kannada movies. Okay, from the year 1980 to 2020. You have to analyze that which is the top collection movies. You will get the data from internet, get the data from newspaper, you will get the data from your father, mother, like that you will collect. No, in multiple source you will get the data. How to handle all the things? You will place it in on a white sheet. No, then you will analyze and tell me, sir, these 5 Kannada movies are top collection movies. Who acted in this thing? How much budget? How you are telling? What is the budget? What is the profit they are making? Some movies they will spend 100 crores. The collection will be 75 crores. We can't able to consider as a success movie. Correct? No, because they spend one movie spend 10 crores. He collected 50 crores. The profit will be 40 crores in that. No, so that is called data analysis. How to do all these things? We have to identify. It presents a diverse range of utilities ranging from parsing multiple file format, converting an entire data table into NumPy matrix array. Even all the data will come to the data frame also. Again, for analysis purpose, we have to store it in a NumPy matrix array only. Okay, similar to NumPy, Pandas deals primarily with the data in 1D and 2D arrays only. In Pandas also it is there 1D and 2D, but we call it as a data frame. Why we are using Pandas? Pandas is a Python package providing fast, flexible and expressive data structures designed to make working with relational or labeled data both easy and intuitive. That means handling the data. I told you now in the arrays thing of Boolean value. How to get the Boolean value? I'll have the array greater than 5. All the things are become false. Some elements are coming true. Which are above 5 only I can able to extract. Like that we can able to easily handle those things. It aims to be fundamentally high level building block for doing practical real world data analysis in Python. I given the example, extracting your college performance, extracting the fast moving item from the big bazaar. Like that we can able to do it. Additionally, it has a broad goal of becoming the most powerful and flexible open source data analysis manipulation tool available in any language. Actually, you may hear about one thing called Informatica. Informatica on 10-15 years before, no, it is called business intelligent tool. What is meant by business intelligent? It is nothing but a business analysis only. You are running your own shop, they will come and tell last 10 years data they will collect, they will analyze the things. In so and so month you will have the good sales. In this month these products are not moving, so that don't keep stock. So that it will help you to analyze and how to effectively use your money. Okay, so that it is called business intelligence. That business intelligence available for only for the big concerns, those who are having 100 crores transaction, 20 crores transaction, like that only it will be useful, because that is very costly. It is like a Benz car, BMW car, like that. Then when Python come into the picture, machine learnings are become very easy. Even companies are doing transaction for 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, even less than 5 lakhs also. They can able to analyze the data. They can able to improve the business. That facility it will come with the Python. Why it is means it is a open source. Panda is a open source. Python is a open source. So that this is coming very easy. You can check with your father 20 years before how many people are having a cars and other thing. 20-25 years before very few families only have the cars. Now how it is possible? Everybody is having a car. Bank people are giving loan and they are giving the price also reduced, so that we are getting the cars. All the families know, like that it's happened. What is the difference between Pandas and NumPy? Pandas models work with a tabular data. NumPy model works with the numerical data. It is a Excel sheet. It will come here the numerical data. Tabular format means you can use like Excel. What are the things you are using? Name. What is numerical data? Alpha numerical data also allowed. Okay, in Pandas. In NumPy we have to use only numerical data only. Pandas has powerful tools like series, data frames are there. Here in Pandas, single dimensional array is called series. 2-dimensional array is called data frame. Whereas in NumPy we have to tell vector and matrix. Pandas has a better performance for 500k rows or more. 500k means 5 lakhs records and more it will able to use. But it will have the better performance 50k. 50k means 50,000 records only we can able to handle in the array. Below above that it will performance will vary. Sometimes your system will be crash. Okay. Pandas consumes large memory as compared to NumPy. NumPy consumes less memory as compared to Pandas. As you all know, you want luxury car, mileage will be less. Okay. You want the very alto car or Swift car, mileage will be more. Same thing. Pandas is mentioned in 73 company stacks and 46 developer stacks. That is nothing but in 73 companies they are using the Pandas, whereas it is used in NumPy is used in 62. Wherever they are using Panda, internally they will use NumPy also, but specifically they are mentioning these things. Pandas provide a 2D table object called data frame. NumPy provides the multi-dimensional array. Okay, here we call it the data frame, here we call it the multi-dimensional array, that is we call it the matrix. About this thing about the Pandas. Okay, then we are going with the matplotlib. we are gathering the data, cricket match data only. I want to tell some analyze and give the information. I want to plot it in a graph. No, for that we need the matplotlib. Matplotlib is an amazing visualization library in Python for 2D plots of arrays. Okay, to plot the 2D plots on 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional. New techniques are coming, but 2D only we are going to cover. Matplotlib is a multi-platform data visualization library built on NumPy arrays and designed to work with the broad that is a SciPy stack. That is a one library. I will teach you when we are going. We can teach you the things. We have to store the data in NumPy. Then we have to give it to the pass on to the Matplotlib. One of the greatest benefit of the visualization is that it allows us visual access to huge amount of data is easily digestible visual. Digestible visual means the saying is that no, one picture is equivalent to 1,000 words. I want to explain something with 1,000 words. One picture is enough for that. Here in Matplotlib we can able to draw line graph, bar graph, scatter graph, histogram graph, like that. What is a line graph? In a cricket match they are showing that the comparison between the two teams score. No, that is a line graph. Like it will go in a line from the 0th over to the 50th over, how the line is going at 20th over. Bar graph means each over how many runs they took. That is a bar graph. Okay, how to import the Matplotlib means import Matplotlib. In Matplotlib one more subdivision is there. How we are having a NumPy random is there. No, like that pyplot as PLT we have to do. One division in Matplotlib is a pyplot. We are using that pyplot only we are going to use. Basic plots in Matplotlib. Matplotlib comes with a wide variety of plots. Plots helps to understand the trends, patterns, and to make a correlation. Correlation also we are going to cover you. I will let you know. They are typically typical instrument for reasoning quantitative information. You are having some quantity of information, is a huge data is there. How to reason that, how to analyze and get the data, for that plots are very useful. Okay, so that it is a theory session about pandas and Matplotlib, and the next session we are going to how to handle panda, how to read the data from the Excel sheet or some other source, how to use it. We are going to cover it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button and share the video to your friends. If you have any queries or anything, just mention in the comment and handle your project easily. Visit our website www.dhsinformatics.com. For more information, you can send a mail to info@dhsinformatics.com, or you feel free to call us on 9886692401 or 98451667223. You can WhatsApp us also. Thank you. Have a good day.